So this is a quick video showing you how to use Google's brand new AI model called Nano Banana for print on demand. And it's absolutely insane, guys. This new model has the potential to replace Photoshop and other editing software very soon because of its incredible capabilities. So you definitely don't want to miss this. So to access Nano Banana, simply go to google.com and in the search box write Google Studio and press on the Google AI Studio. And this will take you to the Google AI Studio dashboard. Make sure that you have signed in using your Google account, and on the right side you will see the different models. Make sure that you are on the Gemini 2.5 Flash and then start writing your prompt. So first I'm going to upload this image. This is a model or a mock-up image from a website, a demo website that I have recently created. So I'm going to write a prompt, make this model look at the camera and place his hands beside him. So we are going to create different poses of this model as if we want to create different images for our website. And instantly the Nano Banana model created this image of the man looking at the camera with the design on it. The Nano Banana imagined the face and the features of this model and created him while keeping the design as is. Nothing was changed, and this is an amazing feature. So you can create different poses and different mock-up images of your design with just simple prompt. So let's go back, and this time I'm going to write change the background to a street wall while keeping the model as is. Blend the model with the new background colors, with the new background atmosphere in terms of colors and shading, and press run. And in about 10 seconds we get a new image of the model with the same facial expressions, the same features, the same design, but with a different background, and the model is completely blended with the background. So he even did not add a face, and the Nano Banana model imagined the face for the model. So let's zoom out on this model and make his full body visible, and press run. Again, within 10 seconds we get the image with our male model in a full body form with the same atmosphere. So let's change his jeans to light blue, jeans on white shoes, and we get a perfect image with jeans and white shoes. Again, the design is as is, perfect display, and the image still has the same facial expressions. So now create a different pose of this model. So let's see what we are going to get while keeping the same background, and press run. And within 15 seconds we get a new image with the same model, the same expressions, but now it's with a different pose on the same background and the same atmosphere. Now let's press on the chat to start a new chat, and this time we're going to edit our designs directly. So I'm going to upload this image of this sausage character with this American flag cap, and the first thing that you can do with this model is to add or to do some changes to the design. So I'm going to write add shoes to the character, to the sausage character, just as simple as that, in the same style. And by the way, this image is of a low quality, but still the Nano Banana model can work with low quality images. So I'm going to ask it to change the hat color to white with a letter H placed on it, and press on run to see what we're going to get. We get a perfect result. The character is now wearing shoes with the same expressions. So I'm going to ask it to change the background color to black, and now we have the design on a black background, but as you can see, the borders or the outline of the character is not clean. It has some white parts of it. So I'm going to enhance the quality of the image and clean the borders of the sausage character, make the outlines clean. Press on run, and within almost 12 seconds we get a new image with clean borders. So this is our image with before, and this is after, with definitely cleaner look and cleaner outline. So it even manage to edit the quality of your design. And by the way, this image was taken as a screenshot. So this is how the Nano Banana can do to any low quality images. Now let's place a new design, this Make Life an Adventure design. It's a screenshot taken also of a design that I liked. And I'm going to ask the Nano Banana model to change the motorcycle to a jet ski. So we're taking it to the next level. We're going to change some of the main parts of the design, but the challenging part here is to keep the character, the man who rides the motorcycle. We're going to keep it, but change the motorcycle to a jet ski. So the prompt says, change the motorcycle to a jet ski and the overall design background to water and ocean instead of desert. Keep the character as is while place him on the jet ski. So it's like redesigning the design while keeping the main elements of the text and the character. And press on the run and let's see what we're going to get. And here we get a perfect design with the same character, but now on a jet ski. On the left side is the original image, and on the right side is the updated or the edited one. And as you can see, the original one has a low resolution, while the new one is now in a better resolution. The same text style is kept as is. So this is perfect editing, guys. Amazing. And it was done in a couple of seconds. So now enhance the quality of the image or the design and change the background color from orange to black. Now we're going to test changing the colors and also change the text color to white while keeping the text style as is. So we don't want to change the font or the font style of the design, and we just want to change the background color and the text color. And this is what the prompt says. And again, within 13 seconds, we get a perfect result of the design, now placed on a black background and the text with its texture kept as is, but now in a white color. Now let's try to place the design on a male mockup. It's 30 standing by the beach wearing a black t-shirt with the design. Within 18 seconds, we get this male model with the design on his shirt and standing by the beach. A perfect mock-up image that you can use to promote your designs. Now let's add a new design to our thread. So this is also a screenshot of one of the designs from the internet. It's called Adventure Awaits, and I'm going to ask it to rotate the skeleton body to face the camera while keeping the main design elements, while preserving his identity and keeping everything else as is, and press run. And as you can see, there is a token count on the right side. This is the number of tokens left for you to use, but if this number is finished, you can always open a new chat to reset the tokens. And now the result is, again, it's perfect. On the right side is the original image, and on the left side is the updated one. It's exactly the same design style and texture with a new pose for the skeleton. And of course, it imagined its face and facial expressions. So this is perfect result. So this is different level of AI editing, as you can see. Now we're going to ask the Nano Banana model to change the main design color, which is navy in our case, from navy to red while preserving everything else. Press run. And again, within 22 seconds, we get the updated design, exactly the same design, but with just a new color. So this model is perfect for editing, guys. It's going to replace lots of editing software because of this amazing features. So that was a very quick tutorial on how you can use the new Nano Banana model for your print-on-demand business and how you can edit your designs and create unlimited number of mockups using the same model and the same character. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.